Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to log into Halifax account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Halifax account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address halifax.co.uk and hit on enter, and you'll be on the home page of Halifax like this over here, guys. And in order to sign into your account, at the top right corner of your screen you can see there is a sign in button available for us. Click on that, and over here you'll be required to enter the username and the password of your account which you had registered for a Halifax account while you had created your account. And with that being said, guys, if you have forgotten your sign in your details, you can always click on over here where it says the forgotten your sign in details. And after that, guys, after entering your username, and with that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on the continue button available over here, and then you'll be logged into your Halifax account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how to log into your Halifax account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.